Hi, I promised you I would show you this slime, so let's get to it. Oh, it's spilling out the side, as you can see that. Yeah. I can hardly open it. Okay, I got it open and the top's like that. Okay, so gotta take it all out. Okay, now I'm done, and here's an experience. Very nice bubble crackles. About to run out of time, so come back for part 2.